In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an app from Shopify apps. Head to the apps, click recommended apps, and click Shopify App Store. You can alternatively head to apps and search for your app just right here. For example, reviews, and then you'll be able to find this, but you will not able to discover new apps. After this, head to your app. For example, I'm going to look for something just for free to install to be on the same page. Let's click on Shopify email, click add app, and then our app is currently being added. Click install app. Make sure to check out the access that the app needs. Install app. As you can see right here, then I'll be able to proceed with my app, for example. That's basically it for today's tutorial, and goodbye.